Okay, so let's quickly run a few questions to the group and see what they have to say. Let's go. What's up, guys? Quick questions. Come here. How long have you been together?
For 20 years.
Thank you. Do you love this particular trip and why?
Yes, this is amazing because we are coming with the caravan and this is kind of first experience and it is like a very different experience being together and doing that journey together alongside. So it's wonderful. This is really
Perfect.
great.
Vicky, how was it traveling to Pune from Bangalore and seeing this as your ride?
See, if I see my ride as in a caravan, it's very comfortable, first of all. But from the outside, it's always tempted. Wow, wish I could travel in this.
I told you it is going to be a surprise. Wow, I have already asked you.
Yes.
What makes you come together with this gang every year? Though you missed last two trips.
This is actually this is a surprise trip for me because I'm not expecting this kind of trip will happen. And Such kind of trips happen by caravan because they have given a space for together to each of together to
Explore and
travel,
have fun.
have fun.
Thank you. What suggestion will you give to people who are planning a trip in a
Well,
caravan?
if we talk about the people like us who wants to travel and who wants to, arrange a kind of a reunion, I would prefer that guys amazing concept. I really appreciate that, and to me, it was very surprising for me that I never had an idea. Even initially, I had refused to be a part of this trip, but if I would refuse that, I would definitely
You
feel
would have been
regret. I
regretting
would
it
feel
today.
regret. So amazing, guys! Thanks for organizing this. Nice one, good one.
Short question.
How did you find the trip?
Good, amazing.
Amazing. You are comfortable in the vehicle.
Yeah, with
How
interior,
about the overall other fun activities we have been doing?
awesome.
Awesome.
बहुत
Perfect. So you see, guys, my throat will actually give you an idea of what all we have done. And if you see our t-shirts, guys, let's have a turn around. Upar. So this is what we planned, and this is how we have come up with. Thank you.